Hello guys, let's dive fast into how to cut a long sleeves. So over here we folded our fabric into two and mark out 3 inches downwards. After 3 inches downwards, you mark in 5 inches inside. As you can see, after marking it out, you connect your straight lines into a curve. Note, this is a freehand sketch. This is a freehand sketch with no marking tools, and it's very simple and it's very nice. Now you mark out your armhole measurement. After getting your armhole measurement, you use your scissors and cut it accurately. If only you got your armhole measurement, as you can see. I'll just cut out that part. So after cutting that part, it's now time for the actual hand measurement. The hand measurement I was using here was 22 and a half. So you measure your 22 and a half, and before that you just mark out your short sleeve first. My short sleeve was 9 and a half. After marking out the short sleeve, you mark out the actual length of the hand, which is 22 and a half of the client. After marking the 22 and a half, you come inside because of the calf you'll be adding. So I come inside, I subtract the calf measurement from it. So my calf is 2.5. So after getting the 2.5, I add 1 inches, which is half inch for joining of the calf and half inch of joining of the hand. So after that, I will measure my around arm or my biceps. The measurement I got was 7 inches. After dividing 14 inches, after dividing it into 2, I'll just add my allowance, and I want my calf measurement to be 9 inches. So I divide 9 inches into 2. I got 4.5 and add 1 inches allowance. So after adding the 1 inches allowance, you just connect your lines nicely. As you can see, you just connect from the calf to the around arm, and after that place you just draw your curve to where you got your armhole measurement, and then on the 1 inch you added, you rule out a straight line. After ruling out a straight line, you just cut it out. Simple and nice, as you can see.